Hello everyone, welcome back to Over Channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync a folder on your computer to Google Drive. I assume that you've already installed Google Drive on your computer. If you have not installed it yet, make sure to download and install Google Drive first. Once you have Google Drive installed, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will see the Google Drive icon. Right-click on that icon, then click on Settings and go to Preferences. In the Preferences window, you'll see two options, My Laptop and Google Drive. Click on My Laptop. Here, we are going to add a folder that will be locally on your computer but will sync to Google Drive. Click on Add Folder to get started. Choose a folder on your computer. For this example, I'm selecting this folder on my desktop called New Folder. Select the folder and click Select Folder. Now you will see two options, Sync with Google Drive and Upload all files and folders including photos and videos. If you edit or remove files, those changes will automatically be synced. If you have files other than photos, choose the first option. This option will also include photos. If you have only photos and videos, you can choose the second option. For this example, I'm going to sync with Google Drive and not include the photos in Google Photos. So, I'll choose the first option and click Save. Now, let's check the folder. I will create a text document in the new folder. And then add some text to it. You will see a sync icon next to the file, indicating it's syncing. Open the Google Drive folder, and you'll see the file we just created. It's already synced. Similarly, you can move any files you want to sync to Google Drive into this folder, and they will automatically sync. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. Take care. Goodbye.